Hi guys, welcome to the magic of paper. Today we'll be learning how to create this very beautiful button flower. You will need 2 pieces of square paper for it, one for the leaf and one for the flower. First, let's fold the leaf. Fold your paper diagonally and leave a crease. Open it back up and fold this edge into the center. Do the same for the other side. Now, do the same thing for these 2 edges. Fold your paper in half like this. And rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Now, bring this edge up. Flip your paper and do the same thing. Hold on to your paper like this and open this part here. And this will be the button flower sleeve. Now the flower. Fold your paper diagonally in half. Leave a crease and open it up. Do the same for the other diagonal. Open it back up and fold it in half like this. Open the paper and do the same thing again. Now, open your paper along this crease and squash the paper down. Flip the paper and do the same thing. Fold your paper in half, so all the flaps are on the same side. And create a crease here. Make sure a crease crosses this point. Take your paper like this and rotate these 2 flaps along this crease. Take your paper like this and open the flower. And to open it, you can just open this little pocket here and push it down here on the root part. Do the same thing 3 times. And this will be the flower. Now, take the leaf and you can see there's a little pocket here. And insert the flower into this pocket. And there it is, the button flower. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.